Girls, can you show me?
Yeah. No.
Becca, show me Boots. Bring him here. Show him to me. Oh, wow. Let's go back a little bit. Show him right here. Oh, look, there's Dora. Two Doras. Where's Hannah? Go get the Hannah doll. Go get the Hannah doll. The one with yellow hair?
Yellow hair?
Yeah, look, where's the Hannah doll? See her? With yellow hair.
Over here?
Yeah. Henry. Sarah, show her Hannah.
Hannah, look. This is Hannah. That's you.
Can you show me Hannah?